what this presentation is all about, I mean, if you take away nothing else, is that like we as an enterprise, as an industry, have a greater responsibility. That we're really in the decision support business. We're helping clients make better decisions. And so it isn't just by providing data, and it isn't just by providing well-executed surveys. It's about sitting down and understanding how to help our clients sell more stuff, do it more profitably, and execute more quickly. So we're really in the decisions, intelligence business.
And to do that, we need to really reimagine how we think about what we do, who our competition is, and how we're going to deliver that value to our customers.
So how are we going to do it? So there's obviously, there's no mandate to throw the baby out with the bathwater. The idea is that we still want to be engineered for efficiency, but we also have to create opportunities to experiment, to purpose-ful experimentation. What I would consider to be, an ability to engineer for a little bit of experimentation with the work that we do with our clients. We make sure that they're trying new things and they're innovating. And actually, on that last point, what is possible? They're asking that question, what is possible? Like, I think a lot about social data. There is no shortage of market researchers that could tell you that social data is not statistically valid. It is maybe not fundamentally sound from a methodology standpoint. And so it's easy to kind of write it off and say, hey, there's nothing there. But if you look at it from the other point of view and say, well, what is possible to do with it? You could start to come up with different ways that you could use social data to help add color or paint out the corners in a given initiative. And so again, it kind of goes back to that, what is possible? And then the next one is, data collector to holistic synthesizer. So this one really is a lot more about, okay, once we gather the data and we organize it and we present it to the client, have we properly asked ourselves, so what? So what? So what are they going to do with this? So why did they ask us to do with this? So if we were going to take it to the next level, if we were the CEO of Coca-Cola, what would we do? And once you start asking those questions, you start to be able to better synthesize the information you've gathered, and you have a much more holistic appreciation for why the work was requested in the first place. And which then kind of all comes together to, differentiating between answering research questions, which is obviously our first and foremost charter. But if we're going to answer the questions, we have to realize that the reason they were asked in the first place is that's because they're being asked to solve business problems. And so we ourselves then need to think a little bit more like the business partners that come to us and ask us questions, or ask our clients questions.